Friday out here cutting some weed on June 27th, I think it is. I can't remember. But cutting real nice. It's dry. Moisture's good. Ed took a sample in. It's about 14.4, and he's got the first load at the elevator right now. So just cutting away out here in 9700. Got the skeleton crew running today. Just me and Dad. Grandpa was sick, so my brother's working, and so he might save a little bit back for the 525 run a little bit tomorrow. I don't know. It's cutting so good, kind of hate to stop, so we'll just see. Not going to bale any straw, so it's all going right through the chopper and going out the back. To get cut up along these trees here and get this little neck that's out here in the field cut first, because it get tough or something later in the evening or cloud up or something. I'd hate to be trying to do it with a dew on. It don't cut very well, and it can blue down some. Looks like the Surprise has arrived up there. Don't have any idea on yield yet, so. Been hearing less than normal from the guys in Southern Illinois. It's been wheat wasn't as good as they were thinking, and I don't think this looks quite as good as it did 2 years ago, so who knows. That will come back to you after a while. Alright, his Surprise has arrived here. Got Mr. Jeff with us here.
Yeah, I'm riding in a real combine today.
New Holland makes a good combine.
Yeah, but it's a childhood combine.
Well, that's true.
When I was younger.
Get some wheat planted off, come down and cut wheat with you next year.
Yeah, because we'd be a week ahead of you.
Yeah, you would.
Yeah, most guys have been done a week or better down there.
Yep.
There's still one or two fields out.
Down at the Agco dealer down there at Arthur yesterday, and they had said that guys were cutting down around Mattoon, but they weren't nothing. They hadn't heard anything north of there, but. probably be first of the week, I imagine. Let it dry out a little more. And of course, they got rain Sunday. I got a wedding I'm in there Saturday, but Dad might try to come up Saturday and put them in. Who knows?
That's just about a full-time job for you with weddings.
Yeah, and then I got one, got a wedding. Well, I got the rehearsal dinner tomorrow night because I'm in this wedding. And then we got another wedding on Sunday. Lexi's got a cousin that's getting married, so yeah, it's a full-time job. I don't know, I suppose these little spots that deer laid down in or something.
Could be. They like to do that. Like they could just follow the sprayer track.
Well, that would make it a little nicer, but
And then they just lay down right where the track's at. Or beside the tracks, what it looks like.
yeah.
On this hump, makes you kind of wonder what's going on the hump, why it's doing it worse.
Yeah, I don't know. Unless the wind just kind of comes over the corner here or what, but do you guys ever sell the straw out of the field or no?
No. I don't recall ever having anything fail on our farm. When we needed straw for hogs, we just bought straw.
Okay.
Our old dirt needs all the help it can get.
Yeah, I always had that problem with baling straw. You know, yeah, it's some quick money, but is it worth the fertilizer and the organic matter you're pulling out of the soil?
Now the guys that's got livestock and who's dumping manure back on
Yeah, then it makes sense.
that's fine. But not all of us have a barn of cattle.
Yeah. Yeah, if you can get the pretty good quick, probably get some decent beans and sell the straw, but I don't know how well that is, you know, 10 years, you know, do that every year, 10 years or so.
As long as you got the manure, it's fine.
Yeah. That stuff's got some green in it. Yeah, it's unbelievable. I'm surprised how good cameras and audio the phone is. Thought about just strapping it on my head before, but had a shot just like this 2 years ago, about this time of the day.
Yeah. I remember it coming back. not that many of them to begin with.
Yeah, I wish we had a little more wheat, you know, or take a couple days, and I could, you know, get to have more time to do a little something, you know, instead of trying to cram all these shots in, and, you know, 27 acres. Get this load out, we ought to go hold the rest of the few trucks.
Well, out here, finishing up, probably about 3 acres left. Getting kind of tough here in the evening, and have to probably quit. And I've had some rain coming, and I think we're gonna, but I think it missed us, and so I'll probably wait till tomorrow, and I'll finish it up with the 525. Jeff came up and Ride had to go home now, or we went on home, but awfully nice of him to come on up, and that was sure fun. Always like visiting with Jeff. Try to get most of the down stuff done before I get in here at the 525. Wheat's been running everywhere from 14.7 to 12.5 on moisture. They've been threshing easy today though. They've been making a real nice sample. But when the wheat's dry, and of course it's kind of dirtied up the sample on this back piece, but when the wheat's dry like on the other piece, it's pretty easy to make a good sample. That'll do it. Wheat cutting here at the 9700. So thanks for watching.